Why hashtags? Mastering hashtags can be a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their digital presence. Using the right hashtags increases social media engagement and improves SEO, making content more discoverable across platforms. This dual benefit enables businesses and individuals to reach broader audiences and drive relevant website traffic. At a time when content is abundant, standing out is crucial. Hashtags are a powerful tool for categorizing content, attracting niche audiences, and creating community engagement. They can bridge social media efforts with search engine visibility when strategically implemented, creating a cohesive online strategy that fosters growth. Understanding which hashtags to use and how to leverage them effectively can transform a social media post into an obvious asset. Viewers will explore proven tactics that boost visibility and align social media strategies with their SEO goals. Thanks for watching. The next video in the series is the role of hashtags in SEO.